Hi everybody, Francis Bergeron from Target Coaching. How are you doing today? Why to use the strategy zero limit? Why would we want to use this? I'm gonna talk to you about today about the subconscious, how to program your subconscious, how to use your subconscious to get what you want in life. Zero limit, that's a strategy. We have zero limit in life. We could achieve anything we want, but we have to program our subconscious the right way. So the first thing we want to do is to find out what is our limit. What kind of limit do we have in our subconscious? That's the first question you want to ask yourself. What kind of limit do I have there hidden very far in my subconscious? Is it I have a limit of a certain amount of money that I could make, after $200,000 a year, I cannot make more than that? Find out the limit that you have in your subconscious. Once you find this out, you have to write it down. You have to be conscious about those limits that you have in your subconscious. You write them down, and after that, you have to work on the subconscious to release those limits. Because if you want to achieve your dream and your goals, you have to achieve those, you have to release those limits. You have to remove them. So you write it down, and once you write it down, you do a strategy of visualisation. In French, visualization, I don't know how to say it in English, you have to visualize. Visualize is good. So you visualize your limit in your head, and you have to remove that limit. Because once you're conscious, it's going to be easier to remove this limit. What you focus on expand. So if you have this limit, every time you think of it, it expands. So you want to release it. First step is to know that it's there. And the second step, you have to close your eyes and visualize that limit. And you have to visualize in your subconscious that you remove it. And once you remove it, you put something else. You put something new in your subconscious. So if your example is like, okay, I cannot do more than $200,000 a year, that's your limit, you release that, and you put now that it's easy and it's possible for you to do more than $500,000 a year, just to show your subconscious, your subconscious different knowledge. So zero limit strategy is very powerful. How to use your subconscious to achieve your goal and to release those limits. Everybody has limits. Sometimes it's subconscious. Sometimes you don't even know that you have limits. You have to identify them, and after that you have to remove it. Have a good success.